Introducing Hammer Machinery's high-performance plastic recycling extruders, ACP110 and ACP75. 2 models, 2 capacities, 1 trusted performance. ACP75 delivers balanced performance with lower power consumption. Perfect for medium-scale processing. ACP110 gives you higher production, higher power and larger screw size, ideal for bulk recycling operations. Model ACP75, compact, efficient and cost-effective, powered by a 15 horsepower main motor with a 75mm screw diameter. Features a plunger-type screen changer, ISO standard heaters and 3 heating zones, equipped with an air pelletizer and semi-automatic feeding. ACP110, built for heavy-duty production, equipped with a powerful 30 horsepower main motor and a 110mm screw diameter for stable high-output extrusion. Comes with platen-type screen changer, ISO standard heaters and 4 heating zones for optimal temperature control, with an air pelletizer and semi-automatic feeding system. ACP75 offers a reliable output of 30 to 50 kilograms per hour, based on material and feeding performance. ACP110 delivers 65 to 90 kilograms per hour, depending on resin quality and operator efficiency. Choose the model that suits your production needs. Hammer Machinery, your partner in plastic recycling innovation.